I love traveling ever since I was single. That didn't change when I became a mother. Why should it be? Right? We've traveled all the way from Manila to Mindanao by car, and that's 4 days trip. We also traveled internationally in different countries. Our kids love Disneyland, and of course, the snow in Canada. What I will be sharing you in this video are the lessons I've learned as an organized mom traveling with kids so that you can enjoy traveling too. Hi everyone. Our flight will be later. Let's see what's inside the mommy traveler's bag. I have this binder. I know it. I have this binder. So there, as you can see, there are tabbings. I put the label on it so that it's easily identifiable whenever I need the document. So, our passport, our printed copy of the ticket, my COVID vaccination card, and here's our swab result which came in yesterday. This one. And this is the requirement of PAL, which is passenger information form, traveler's declaration and acceptance of risk. So I will have to submit it to them upon entering the airport. This one is the requirement of Canada, which is ArriveCan registration. So there's the QR code. This one is entirely optional. It is the Advanced Border Services Agency declaration. I declared everything that I must declare in advance so that I will not fall in line sa sobrang habang pila. So this is it. And this is our travel insurance, a copy of a certification of our travel insurance with COVID coverage. This one is the travel documents of my husband because our visa is entirely attached and dependent on his stay in Canada, which is his schooling. Birth certificate of my minor children. And here's our dependent's ID, which is with photocopies. Here is a requirement of Canada. It's a medical surveillance undertaking that I must submit upon entering Canada. And this one is a medical certificate issued by the pediatrician of my children that they are fit to travel. This one, prescriptions for all our medicine and formula and the vitamins and everything in between. So we have that prescription just in case they would ask. And then I have it here, their vaccination record, the kids' vaccination record, and even mine, just in case it will be essential. Or then this one is a consent form from my husband that he's allowing me to travel with our kids to a foreign country. This one is my wallet. It's anti-infrared, so that it will be there's that thing that when they put it, they could get your credit card details and all. So I got it actually, this one, in Landmark. Here you go. It's a bag organizer. As you can see, you can see everything inside. So there we have our tissue. I have our extra alcohol. I have here the disinfecting spray, and then my pad. I have it here, my portable drive, and then there's my pen. I have it here. 2 pens. Here, wipes, disinfecting wipes for everything that the kids will touch on. And then have it here, extra mask for my children. Extra mask. Then I have facial wipes. Here my makeup. I'll just put this on because I think I might need the concealer and then the blush. I have it here. The kids' crayons. And then the pacifier for my children. And then my kids' radiation glasses. One for Amal, one for Cassie. I put them in the same cover so that it will save space. Then my radiation glasses there. And then we have this thing. It's like because we need divine intervention and divine protection. Here are my kids' ID. They will be using this one because of course they couldn't still say their full name, so I have it here, like their IDs. And this one, their IDs again. So there, their IDs. And then my child's Lovey. Oops. My child's Lovey. Something to squeeze in. It will be her. And then charger of my laptop. Charger of my laptop. My mouse. And then charger of our power bank. Then we have our power bank. That's just it. That's just it. And then I have an alcohol here. Alcohol. So that it's easy to like do that. Like that. Thank you for listening.